Hey guys, welcome to the channel. To fix Pushcut Action misfires, follow these steps. First of all, force close the Pushcut app, right? Just close it and reopen it again, and that should fix it, right? Next, what you're gonna do, restart the iOS device running the automation as a server, meaning close the window and reopen it again, and that should fix the problem, alright? So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, make sure that you update it to the latest version. If the problem still persists, what you're gonna do, hold the app, delete it, and double click to delete and re-download it again. Make sure that you basically double check if the problem still persists. If it does, make sure that you check network connectivity, right? Make sure that you have a stable internet device, or you can go ahead to the, go ahead to the settings and then the Wi-Fi. If you don't have a powerful or stable internet connection, make sure that you use a mobile data or cellular data if you have one, okay? And verify the API. Go back to your screen, go ahead to the Pushcut, click account at the bottom right, and make sure that you go to the right here to the API. You're gonna see this is my service, and make sure that you have a verifiable API, right? Make sure that you have a verified that make sure that your API is verified, okay? And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Pushcut Action misfires and improve the reliability of your automation server. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.